Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will take a few minutes to give you a brief introduction to China Unicom's edge cloud strategy and our core activities. China Unicom is one of the three telecom operators in China. We have nearly 300 million mobile subscribers and 70 million broadband subscribers. Most of them are already fiber to the home subscribers. 3 years ago, we released our next generation architecture, CoberNet 2.0, which sets a guideline for our network transformation based on SDN-FV and the cloud. Network cloudification is the main goal of the CoberNet 2.0. So telecom cloud lays the foundation for our network transformation. We planned a 3-layer telecom cloud, including regional DC, local DC, and edge DC. For regional DC, the number is about several dozens. For local DC, there are several hundred local DCs. The number of the edge DC is about several thousands. So you can see we have a very large of the edge DC in the future. Today, as the traditional incumbent telecom operator, we have a large number of the central office. Most of the central office could be architected as the edge DC. So that's why we are so interested in cloud. We think the edge DC and the edge cloud is a big competitive advantage of the telecom operator. So China Unicom attach great importance on the edge cloud. We set the roadmap for the edge cloud deployment. This year, we have already started to do pre-commercial edge cloud trials in 15 provinces, and will launch a commercial edge cloud services soon. As you know, 5G is coming soon. Today we need to plan 5G and also do 5G field trials. For 5G networks, edge cloud is the must. And I think in the future, we need a large number of edge cloud for 5G services. We think edge cloud is not only the infrastructure for network transformation, but it was also the service platform. So we see edge cloud as a service. That means we could open our edge cloud capabilities to our OTT partners and vertical industries for ultra high definition video services, AR, VR services, and low latency IoT applications. So I think API is very important for the edge cloud, as we need to open our edge capabilities to our partners. We need to integrate with our partner application systems. Today we have already begun to do edge cloud. Unfortunately, at this moment, we still have to use proprietary solutions from some of the vendors, as we do not have the commercial open source platform. I think the cloud is the potential and an attractive open source platform for our Azure cloud development. So that's why we are so interested in CORD. China Unicom is the board member of the ONF, CORD, and the ONAS. We have already participated in ONAS and CORD activities over the last 2 years. I have already done some lab trials and field trials. Last year, we have said MCORD the trials, lab trials. In our 2 labs, one lab is located in Beijing, another lab is located in Zhengzhou, which is in the central China. We set up 3 MCORD portals and use Octrate to do multi-agile orchestration. We also tried PCC enhancement based on the MCORD open source platform. To facilitate the development of the CORD, in 2016, China Unicom initiated China CORD Industry Alliance. We want to align the ecosystem in China to accelerate the development of the CORD. So I already mentioned today we still facing many challenges for the open source platform deployment. Today, most of the open source platforms and the white boxes are not yet become commercial products, just for POC or lab trials, field trials. How to move from field trials to commercial deployment is a key issue. In our MCORD trial, we found the white box is even expensive than our commercial products we use today. So because the main value for the open source platform is to reduce the cost. Yeah, we must prove that the open source platform should be cheaper than the proprietary solutions. We also need to consider the coexistence of the open source and white box solutions with our legacy network. As the incumbent operator, we has a very large scale legacy network. We need to do the integration of the new network elements with legacy network elements. So I think we need the support of the vendors and the more supply chain partners to provide us integration and technical support. As the incumbent operators, we are lack of the IT engineers and the system integration abilities. We still need the strong support of the ecosystem. So we call for more partners to join ONF, to join CORD to help us to move our lab trials to the commercial production. Thanks.